Right. Shh. Question 4, part 3. Describe in words each of the series, alright? So for part 3, what else I gotta do here is this. Part 3, is basically, it starts at 10 and goes up 5 every time. That's very easy, alright? Next one, number 5, okay? Starts at -6, goes up 3 every time. Easy, right? And finally, part 6, which is probably the toughest one out of the 3, starts at -2.5, 2.5 I'm going to call it, goes up a half, 0.5 every time. That's question 4 done. 3 of them done in a couple of seconds, alright? Very easy. Alright, next part. Complete and copy the following table. Okay, all you need to do with these ones is, you start off at 8, therefore you go up 5 every time. 8, 13, 18, 23, 28. This one here, you can see that the gap is 4, but the first term is 9. 9 goes there. This one, the first term is 12, and the gap is...
No, the other one should be 5, shouldn't it?
Oh, sorry, it's the second term, excuse me. Alright guys, so you gotta take away the first term. So the first term, 8 plus 5 is 13, so the 8 doesn't exist there. So what you get is 9 minus 4 is 5. This one here, we're going to get 15, 12, 15, 12. The one that comes before that should be 9. The rule is plus 3. This one here starts at 0, goes down 3, so it should be -3, -6, -9, -12. Okay, this one here starts on -12, goes down 5 every time, gap of -5. Alright, this one here is interesting, the fraction one. It goes up a 7th each time. That means that a 7th minus a 7th is 0. Next one is 5 1/4. 5 1/4, take away a quarter. And then 4 and 3/4, 4 and 2 quarters, or 4 1/2, 4 and 1/4. That's number 6 done. Very easy stuff thus far. Mr. Vaughan, good man. Right. Next one. Look at the position. Position 1 has 3 blocks. Position 2 has 7 blocks. Position 3 has 11 blocks. Position 4 should have 15 blocks, and position 5 19. Okay, I'm just going to quickly do something here. So what we have to do to these ones is we have to do the top and the bottom. Okay, so we had to add 4 on. You do 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's that sequence there. Okay, so that one goes up here. And then finally add up the next one, so we can put this in red. 2 more blocks either way. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the same as the one there, but we had to add on 4 more. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so that's the other one done there. So it'll be, there we go. Obey me. Now, all right. So look lads, that's more or less it. It's very easy stuff. Okay, here's a repeating pattern of colour tiles. I don't know what we're going to call the first colour. Yellow, sorry, it is yellow. Yellow, blue, red, blue, yellow, green, red. Did I call it blue, green? Yeah, I did. Sorry, I made a mistake there at the start. Need to get my eyesight checked. Let's call that green. They're 2 different colours, right? That's green, that's blue, or am I going blind?
Yeah, you're right.
Going blind. Okay, let's look at the pattern. Yellow, green, red, red, blue, yellow. Okay? Green, red, red, blue, yellow. So look, we have a pattern, okay? What's the next colour in the pattern? Can anybody tell me?
Green.
Green, real green. Not that fake green that almost trapped me. Alright? There we go, green, like the Hulk, okay? Now, what is the next colour in the pattern? We said green, okay, so green is good. Now, what colour is the 30th tile? Let's examine our patterns, okay? Our pattern is this. Yellow is number 1. It's also number 6, and it's also number number 11, sure enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. We now know what sequence yellow goes through, right? What about red? Or sorry, green. Green goes through 2, 3, 4, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 7, 12. Goes up by 5 each time, correct? And what about red? Red is more awkward. 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 4, 8, 9. So you see what's happening? We're adding 5 on each time. Okay, what'll be next then? 13, 14. Okay, and finally blue. What's blue? Sorry? Blue is 5, then 5, 10. Okay, so that blue's a nice one to use. 5, 10, 15, 20. Now, which colour is the 30th tile? Can anybody tell me? It's blue because it goes all the way up to 30. So blue. See the 48th tile, lads. What colour is the 45th tile? Can somebody tell me? It's blue because blue goes all the way up in 5s. Now, go up to the blue tile and count up 3. You're 3 short. So go to your first blue tile and count up 3. 1, 2, 3. The 48th tile will be red. Happy enough with that? Okay. If the 63rd tile is red, what colour is the 65th tile? We don't know for certain from just that information. Because which red are they talking about? Are they talking about the second red or the first red? We don't know. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to continue counting up using our blues. So it's 50, 55, 60, yeah? So blue is number 60. Let's call this 60, 61, 62. 63 refers to the first red tile. 64 is the second red tile, which means a blue one will be the 65th tile. So it's blue. Okay, write down the pattern formed by the blue tiles. Already done. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay. In what position is the 6th blue tile? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 30. 30. Okay.